This Dorm Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Jayann Madden. Enjoy the privacy with a greenbelt right outside your back door. This 2,368 square feet 4-bed 2.5 bath home delivers peace and serenity west/large living spaces, high-end features and great natural light. Main floor features open concept floor plan west/cozy gas fireplace and kitchen complete west/full height backsplash open to dining/living. Gorgeous trim and wood package west/with slat blinds on windows. Master offers dual French doors, ensuite bath and walk-in closet. Conveniently located on the west side of Olympia. For more information, review the details below or contact Jayann Madden at 206-406-6357.